Hey guys, John from S&S Cycle here. In today's video, we're reviewing the M8 Chain Tensioner. This product is now available for purchase and soon will be included into the M8 power packages and M8 camshaft kits. There's a couple things that we want to bring to light and a good reason why you want to have this when upgrading your motor with any type of performance parts, especially S&S parts. First off, the shoe. The shoe is much thicker for chain wear and longevity, lasts a lot longer. If you flip it over to the back side here, you got a couple holes at the bottom. This is direct oiling to the chain. It's a great feature. Also, bigger plunger. And last but not least, the construction of the actual tensioner makes it more stable and durable through wear and tear. Now that we've reviewed it and we know why we want it, we're going to go ahead and show you how to install it very easily on this 107 M8 model. Let's get started. As you can see, we're ready to install our new S&S chain tensioner, but before we do that, let's review the steps we took to get to this point. We removed the floorboard on the right side, we removed the saddlebag on the right side, we removed the exhaust, and then we removed the cam cover itself, exposing the cam plate. And as you can see, we have a S&S cam plate installed. To remove the current chain tensioner, you're going to use a T27 and just break them loose. And one at a time, break them loose and then back them on out. Now that we've removed the chain tensioner, we're ready to install our new S&S chain tensioner. Provided in the kit are 2 torque screws. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of blue Loctite to each one of them and install the new chain tensioner. You just want to compress it in, match up the holes, and feed it in by hand, making sure you have the threads correct. And then we will snug them down with a T27. Now that we have them snugged, we're going to go ahead and torque them down to 120 inch-pounds of torque. After installing the new chain tensioner, we went ahead and put the bike back together per the factory manual. If you like this video, make sure to give us a like, a follow. Always check us out on social media. And for more information about this product, check sscycle.com.